Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your games and your trophies from other players or users on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and hide your game list and your trophy list from other players or friends on your PlayStation 5, this is very easy to do. So I'm just on the home screen right now. I can press the PlayStation button and then go over to my profile right here and then scroll on down to trophies. Now I can see my trophy list. Simply press options under here, then go on down to privacy settings. And then go to hidden games right here and select this option. Now it'll bring us to the view and customize your privacy settings page. Then go to hide your games from other players. Hide games so that they don't appear on your profile or in your gaming history. And then at the top it says when you hide a game, other people won't see it when they're viewing your profile or your trophy list. They also won't see any of your activities for the game. So if they're comparing their trophy profile to your trophy profile, specific games will not appear. So we can scroll on through here, and all we have to do is check mark the game and slide it to the right. So let's go ahead and just do PGA Tour 2K21, and boom, that is now check marked, and that game is hidden. So let's undo Fortnite. I don't know why that was check marked in the first place. So it doesn't seem like I have any other game hidden. Now when someone tries to view my profile, that game will not appear on my list. So it's very easy to hide your game. So you can also go to who can see your gaming history. Limit who can see the games you played, your trophies, and your participation in challenges. I have mine set to anyone, so if someone who isn't my friend is viewing my profile, they can see my gaming history. But I can go to friends of friends, friends only, or no one. So if you want to go ahead and completely lock down your profile, you can go to no one. And then you can do the same thing for who can see your online status and what you're playing. You can go to anyone, friends of friends, or friends only. So hopefully this quick video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.